Okay, so the first question that we're going to detail up here is where do you typically find high amounts of potential energy? And so we have this pendulum, which every one of us have been working on. And basically what we're going to recognize is where we're going to have high amounts of PE, low amounts of PE, high amounts of kinetic energy, and low amounts of kinetic energy. So we're going to start with high amounts of potential energy. So in the system, we have the mass. It doesn't really matter what mass we're using because in every single spot, the most amount of potential energy this is going to have is where it's at its highest elevation. And so if I would pull this back and I would have this mass hanging right here, this is about as high as it's going to get. If I release it, this thing will travel, it will move down, it will keep moving, it'll convert its potential energy into kinetic energy, and then that potential and kinetic energy are going to continue to move back and back and back. But if I have it right here, this is going to be where it's going to have the highest amount of potential for energy. The amount of gravity that's going to be affected by is going to basically be the same, and the mass of this object is going to remain the same. So if it's at its highest point, that's where its potential for energy will be at its highest. It's going to hit me in the head. Right there. Boom. All right. Potential energy, highest right here.